Welcome back to Car New Updates, your trusted source for everything new and exciting in the world of defense technology, futuristic vehicles, and national advancements. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the new missile India 2037. This is not just a leap in defense capability but a giant stride into the future of national security. So make sure you watch till the end because this is not just about missiles. It's about India's position on the global map in 2037. India has always believed in peace, but at the same time, it has never compromised on strength. In 2037, India has revealed a missile system that's not just new, it's revolutionary. Developed by DRDO in collaboration with ISRO and top defense tech startups in Bengaluru and Hyderabad, this missile is being called India's smartest and fastest strategic defense weapon ever. What makes this missile stand out in 2037 is not just its range or speed, but its intelligence. This is an AI-powered missile. That means it can learn from its surroundings, change course mid-air, identify decoys, and even avoid counterattacks automatically. Yes, it is that advanced. With this level of technology, India is among the top 3 nations in the world to have operational AI-guided missile systems. Let's talk about its specifications. The missile, unofficially nicknamed Astra Next, is said to reach speeds up to Mach 15. That's 15 times the speed of sound. It has a range of 10,000 kilometers, which brings every corner of Asia, Europe, and even parts of the US within striking range. But again, the focus is not aggression, the focus is strategic deterrence and national defense. The missile uses quantum encryption for its communication system. That means once it is launched, no external source can hijack or change its command. It also comes with a multi-layered navigation system that uses GPS, Indian IRNSS, star tracking, and terrain matching, making it nearly impossible to intercept or misguide. Another groundbreaking feature is its zero-error strike capability. According to reports, the missile has undergone 17 successful tests in different climate conditions, deserts, oceans, mountains, and even Arctic simulation zones. In every test, the missile hit its target with sub-meter accuracy. That means it can destroy a target completely without collateral damage, which is vital in modern warfare where civilian protection is key. Now let's understand the impact of this development. In 2037, global tensions are high. Space warfare, cyber threats, and AI-based weapons are becoming the new norm. By launching this missile, India is sending a clear message: we are ready for the future. We will not start a war, but we are fully capable of ending one if needed. This missile is also capable of being launched from land, sea, air, and even from high-orbit satellites. That's right, India now has a satellite-based missile deployment system that allows us to respond within seconds to any threat, from anywhere in the world. You might be wondering, how much does this cost the Indian taxpayer? Well, this project was developed over 12 years with a mix of government funding and private partnerships, bringing down the cost significantly. In fact, experts say the total cost of this program is 40% less than similar projects in other superpowers. This is not just a missile. It is a symbol of India's strength, unity, and vision for the future. From Agni to BrahMos to now Astra Next, India's missile journey has always been about self-reliance and pride. And with the 2037 update, India has stepped into a whole new era of smart defense. If you found this video insightful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Car New Updates for more videos on India's futuristic defense and automotive innovations. Jai Hind.